Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create an order confirmation or sales order on TranZact. So whenever you get a PO from your buyer, you send a confirmation document that is called a sales order or an order confirmation. How you can create on TranZact and how you can send it to your buyer. So first you need to go to all modules, click on all modules, then you need to go to sales and purchase. In sales and purchase, on your right hand side you will see an option of create document. In this you will get order confirmation in the list. Select it. It will ask you to select a buyer. Now these are the buyer which are added in my buyer and supplier. Selected. After that, please check this is the order confirmation page which will get opened up. Now I need to fill some of the details and then after need to create the order confirmation. How? First you need to select the title. So it's wall sales. After that, coming to the document number, as this is on auto, so it is coming automatically. You can customize it as per your requirement from this customize option. Click on this, you can create it manual and then after can fill the detail, or you can select multiple document series here if added in your settings customize option, document series option. Coming next, I need to select the delivery dispatch date. Now go below. Here you can fill the PO number, quotation number, payment term. These are not mandatory. A store is mandatory so that you can advise or you can mention that from which store it will be outwarded. I can select other stores as well. Salesperson. This is one of my custom field which I have added. Now go below, select the item. So I will simply just go ahead and select one of my item. All the details are coming from my inventory. I have saved there. Pricing type I can easily just go ahead and select from here. So these are multiple pricing type which we provide while creating the OC. Same is provided in the inventory. You can manage and you can put the price in inventory, and after that once you will select it, the pricing will come here. Now go below. Here you can add additional item in the OC. After that, you can add extra charges on the OC, or you can attach an attachment, additional detail. So which options are not required, you can click on them and unselect it. Which options are required, select them and it will come below. Now additional detail. In additional detail you can fill logistic, term and condition, bank details. So here on this particular document I want term and condition and bank details. So click on this. After that, what I will do, I will simply select the term and condition. In the bank detail I will select. These all masters are defined in my settings module. I can if I want to show the signature I can attach it, else I can remove it. Now coming to the next, this is the email recipient box. In email recipient box you can simply just go ahead and add any additional email. This is a user email which is coming from my buyer and supplier. From here you can see the email preview and make changes. Now, coming below, please check on your right hand side there is total before tax. Total tax is CGST, SGST, RCM, non-taxable extra charge. If you want to add any such extra charges which are not tax inclusive or on which the tax are not applied. Coming next, TCS percentage round off option is here and advance to pay. So you can fill these details as per the requirement, and then after you can simply save and send the document. So once you will save and send the document, let me show you. This is one of my custom field which I have created and that is mandatory. So I need to fill it. Now click on save and send and please check this particular OC is created. You can simply just go ahead and share via email. We do have an email integration available, or you can share it via WhatsApp. You can copy the link and directly share as well. Now, so this is how you can create an OC order confirmation, and this is how it will look like. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to create the OC. Have a good day ahead.